I'm here at the Biltmore Estates in Asheville. Of course, I live in North Carolina, so it's part of home. And I've been chasing slow. So my next episode is called Chasing Slow, and it's where you're just kind of enjoying everything that nature has to offer. Like all of the mountains, all of the breeze, your children, your family. Like you're just chasing slow. No rush. Just I made a conscious choice to choose slow. Fast wasn't really working out, and I was determined to hit my goals and to be the first in my generation to do amazing things and break family curses. All of my goal chasing, my dream chasing, my fast go, 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 it left me with so little time for my family. I had a job, I had a life, and that came with a lot of responsibility. It was always do more, be more, 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 more. Life can be so demanding. You have to be careful. It will break you. You will fall. I remember sweating, my heart racing with anxiety. They told me there was no rest for the weary, no pain, no gain. I was so determined, but at that point in my life, I wasn't living. I was merely existing. The greatest fear is failure. I had a dream of not living up to my potential and meeting God and asking him, why did I not get as much time as the next? And I needed another second, another chance. Talk faster. I remember being told to move faster, go faster, do more, walk like you got a purpose, going into business meetings and being told to sell yourself in 3 seconds or less. Then I decided to go slow. I found my tribe who practice mindfulness. I am a reflection of a reflection, and that we're all connected. And I was afraid that if I was honest, they wouldn't think highly of me. And my tribe just wanted me to be me. I found grounders and tree huggers and Mrs. Peace and Mr. Calm, pleasantness personified, and not everything was glorified nor perfect. But I found a way to let go of all the burdens and the hurt, the pain, the trauma, calm, peaceful energy that came from enjoying every morsel, enjoying each trickle of sunlight and air and breathing deeply. I learned to enjoy the snow and the rain and the feelings throughout. I began to savor every moment. No rush to speak, no rush to eat, no rush to be. Just be all that I am, because all that I am lives inside of me. We're all connected. This earth, these trees, this air. I learned to go slow. I learned to feel the journey deep within my soul. I found peace. I found love. I found blessings. I found abundance. There is abundance in slow. Life is like a winding road. Gotta take your time. Moving too fast and things might not go as planned. But if you take your time on this winding road of life, you'll see a beauty you'll taste, beauty you'll enjoy the show. And that's why I will forever chase slow. Freedom, freedom awaits.